One hardy fruit tree, low water, minimal investment, and premium market price. Yes, we're talking about organic Sithaphal farming. Let's quickly understand how you can grow custard apple naturally and profitably. Custard apple grows very well in dry and semi-arid regions. Sandy loam soil with good drainage is ideal. The best part? It tolerates drought, making it perfect for farmers in low rainfall areas. Popular varieties include Balanagar for stable yield, red custard apple for strong market demand, and Arka Sahan for bigger fruits with fewer seeds. Choosing the right variety according to your climate is the first step towards success. For organic cultivation, avoid chemical fertilizers. Use vermicompost, well-decomposed cow dung manure, and green manure to enrich the soil. Mulching with dry grass helps conserve moisture and naturally control weeds. For pests like mealybugs and aphids, neem oil sprays and panchagavya work effectively without harming beneficial insects. Irrigation is mainly required during flowering and fruiting. Drip irrigation is highly recommended because it saves water and maintains proper soil moisture. Harvest the fruits when they turn light green and the segments slightly separate. Always pick by hand and handle gently. Organic custard apple can fetch 20 to 30% higher prices in the market. With low input costs and good demand, this crop offers strong profit potential, especially for dryland farmers. Organic custard apple farming is simple, sustainable, and rewarding. Would you consider planting custard apple on your farm? Share your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more practical farming knowledge.